Hello guys, we're back. Welcome to Japan Core Unboxing. I'm King Mean from Japan Core, aka Pretty Cool Guy, aka Ichiban Nut Job, aka Empty Ways. So exhausted. Anyways, yeah. So this is a continuation from last night, from yesterday. Today, came back from work, found this, so the story about the one yesterday, that wasn't mine. That was actually for somebody else who lived here. So I unboxed the wrong one, that's why there's only 3 and not 100 like I claimed to be. So this is the right one, so I'm hyped. So check it out. Got my Shein pants on, got some love stains. Pretty cool, what do you guys think? Pretty cool! So check it. Already from the get-go, you already see some dent here. So what does that say? And then there's like a little opening here, so, well, let's get the show on the road. Let's open it. I don't think you can open from this side. See my face? Okay, good. Well, yesterday, they sent some free stuff, so who knows, maybe this time they'll send me a Rihanna poster. Then I can put her in my room. It's pretty cool. Under her umbrella and stuff. What do you guys think? Pretty cool? Alright, let's open this up. Oh, that's a lot easier. Whoa. That looks a lot more than 3 though. I can assure you. I can rest assure you. There should be at least 8 or 9 posters. So there we go, same process. I'm a master at doing this. What do you guys think? Pretty good? Oh shit. Careful. What do you guys think? Pretty good? Pretty good? Oh shit. Oops. Alright. Put this aside. Alright, here we go. Brush off some love stains. Alright. Here we go. Oh man. That's so much better than yesterday. Alright, so I don't know how I'm going to do this, so I'm going to pull the small one out first. Here's RunDevilRun. And then there's GENIE. And then there's G. Wait, did I say RunDevilRun? I meant Mr.Taxi. Failed. So here's RunDevilRun. Man, I don't even know what's going on anymore. So complicated. And then there's Hoot. And then there's O. And then there's that. Hey, I'm supposed to have 2 O. Or is it 2 or 1? It's just 1. Damn. I got ripped off. Yep, that's pretty much that. Well, that's it guys. That's my unboxing for tonight. Just want to let you know that I got my poster, even though it's missing 1. But it's still better than 3, so it's pretty cool. Now I'm going to go and hang it up in my room. You guys will see my room next time with all the cool poster. Make it look legit. Until next week, we'll get the already ordered the DVD. So yeah, the DVD should come soon. The first Asia Tour DVD. Once that's out, I'll do an unboxing of that too. So stay tuned. Pretty cool! That's it. Oh yeah, wait. Before we go, yeah, happy 4th anniversary to Girls' Generation. You dig? Legit? Alright. Go support them. Bye.